Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're going to talk about how you can clean your down equipment using Nikwax. So after a while on the trail, your gear will naturally get pretty stinky, and there's a number of reasons why that happens. Either you didn't take your socks off, or you didn't change your clothes, or maybe you didn't use a liner within your quilt. Either way, the oils from your body, the dirt from the trail is going to collect on these pieces of gear, and over time you're going to have to wash it. So using Nikwax is a nice, efficient way to clean all the dirt from your quilts and get them nice and clean again. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now before you jump into this project though, I want to mention that it does take a little bit of time to complete this process, so make sure you block out about 4 to 6 hours, because that's what you're going to need to do that. With that being said, let's keep moving. Okay, so the first step that you're going to want to do is fill the tub with some lukewarm to warm water. About 3 to 4 gallons is what the Nikwax Down Wash Direct Cleaner is recommended. So about 2 capfuls of this. 2 capfuls is all you need. Alright, so once you get about 3 to 4 gallons in here, you want to agitate the water a little bit. And you just want to put the quilt in the water and try and push out all the air from the quilt. And you can already start seeing the dirt coming out of the quilt. It's pretty alarming if you think about it. How nasty these things can get. Ugh, look at that water. It is not looking good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start to rinse this out. So what you do, obviously just let the water go out. Lots of liquid has been retained inside of this bag here, so I want to get a lot of that out. Alright, so repeat the process. So it looks like the water is pretty clear, but you just want to make sure you do a nice little rinse of the quilt. So getting out the water, again, you don't want to wring it, you just want to knead it. It's going to hold a lot of that water in there, so you want to get a lot of that out, because the more water you have in here, the longer it's going to take to dry. So anyway, so obviously you want to get as much of this out as possible before you put it in the dryer, because it's going to take longer. But after you have drained out all the excessive water, then you're going to want to put it in the dryer. So let's go ahead and move on to that. Okay, so you're going to want to throw it in here, but you're also going to want to throw in a few tennis balls, as you see here. Put it on the lowest setting until dry. Okay, so pro tip, if you are looking to expedite the drying process, I would recommend putting your quilt inside of a pillowcase like this and tying the knot. What it does is it allows the feathers to kind of get more fluffed up, because inside of the quilt it does fall from side to side and it can easily get twisted up. So this is a nice way to avoid that by throwing it inside of a pillowcase, as you see here. Alright, so the quilt has been fully dried at this point. All the loft has returned. It's amazing. Amazing how well that worked. Let's keep moving. Alright, so that's that. We've cleaned up the quilts and they are good to go back on the trail. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.